Hi, we will discuss about the basics of engineering for now, which comes under the module 6. Basics means we will discuss about what is meant by crop period, and we will go to the what is meant by base period, and we will go to the duty, and followed by delta. Right. So first we'll discuss about the crop period. What is meant by crop period? Right. So crop period is defined. For example, there is irrigation land and uh, for example, not exactly, for example, there is a land which will be initially prepared. First stage is preparation and later we'll go for the sowing, right? So the total time that elapses between the sowing and then the third stage is it will get mature, and fourth will go for the harvest. So the time between the sowing period up to harvesting, so it is called as crop period. So time period between sowing to harvesting is called as crop period. Okay, so when you sow the seeds and before harvesting, this complete period we called as crop period. Coming to the base period, the base period is defined as the total time between the first watering uh, done for preparation of the land for sowing and of the crop to the last watering. Before harvest. That means if I consider a duration, so on the first week I will prepare the land for sowing, means for sowing conditions I will prepare the land. So from that day one, okay, and before harvesting, by using some machinery I will give some watering to the plant. So that watering period, so that complete duration between this, wait on, the complete duration between this week to the last harvesting before is called as base period, right? So these are the difference between the base period and the crop period. So we will compare these two now. Base period and crop period, which one is greater or which one is lesser. So now what is meant by crop period? This is from period during the crop remains on the field. That means between the sowing of the crop to its harvesting, right? Whereas on the other side, the base period is first watering, means before sowing you are going to do the first watering, and before harvesting you are going to do the last watering. Now exactly we can't say which one is greater or which one is lesser, so but sometimes both are equal to each other, sometimes one will be greater than the other. Generally we consider for most of the crops base period will be equal to crop period, depends upon the cases. Okay, so both are denoted in terms of days. Remember, the base period and crop period both are denoted in terms of days. Very very important point to remember. Okay, so base period and crop period. In some textbooks we'll feel that crop period is slightly greater than base period sometimes, because sowing to harvesting, right? So initially if you do the first watering, immediately next day or the same day will go for the sowing, right? So generally in the both cases the sowing and first watering will be done on the same day. So now this is the last harvesting and this is the harvesting period, so automatically the harvesting period is greater than the watering before, so automatically crop period will be greater than the base period. Okay, so this is about the basic concepts. In the next class we will discuss about the duty and delta. Okay, so where is divided by d and delta, very important topic, don't miss the content. Okay, see you.